back to my channel. Today's video we're going to do a makeup tutorial. I'm going to be using a brand new eyeshadow. This brand I never used before. This is the brand. I don't know if I can pronounce that, and I definitely cannot read that. If you guys can see, I don't know if that's Korean, Chinese, I really don't know, but the packaging is so beautiful. I mean, look at that. Oh, it's like pinky rose gold. It has pink, but and then you can see all these details are gold. It's very, very pretty. I saw it on Amazon and it caught my eyes because it's so pretty. I haven't opened it yet, so we're just gonna go ahead and try it and see how it goes. And it says right here it's from Alice Adventure in Wonderland. That is so pretty. Love the packaging. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I hope it's not destroyed because I could see that it's very, I could see the eyeshadow here, so I hope when I open it it's not broken because I will be very, very upset. But before I open it, it comes with this plastic. You can remove that, and if you can see very closely, I want to make it closer, but probably because of the lighting and everything you probably would tell, but inside the palette you could see the glitter. Can you guys see that? It's like you probably move around the glitter. Yep, it does move around. See how it looks inside. I'm scared. I hope it's not broken because I really will be upset because it's gonna make a hot mess, and it is broken. Darn it. So it did came damaged. Very upset about that. You can tell right there it is broken. I'm very upset because the details inside, it is so pretty. In this picture right over here, right there is Alice, the little girl, but all the that's the only one is damaged actually, but I'm kind of upset about that. So this needs to be, when they deliver stuff like that, this needs to be wrapped really, really good so this won't happen. I don't know if I could return it back, but I'm pretty upset about that. But look at the detail of that. I don't want to move it too much, but it has all the the Alice in Wonderland like the card, like the card. It has the heart and the diamond, and I don't know these two what it calls, but it's very pretty, and it comes with a brush, so that's a plus. And I'm assuming over here is the mirror. Every palette that it comes with a mirror, it is a plus for me. I am very upset that it's broken, but we're just gonna go ahead and use it. Careful with this, I don't just splash everywhere. My fingers are already dirty. The thing I got is from them too, the lipstick. It is so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh, beautiful. The details, that's what sold me. That's why I when I saw this one and the palette, I just fell in love with it. And look at the color. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. It has the detail right there. Read that part right there. It is so pretty, and look at the detail. Wish you guys can see it. Probably cannot tell. See how, ooh, that is pretty. Very, very pigmented. I just did one swap and look at that. Wow, it is beautiful. So, oh, and it's magnet. Cool. The thing that bothers me when I order something, it comes damaged, especially if I'm planning to do a video. So I'm going to reach out to them and talk to them and see if they could do something about this. But other than that, the palette is very, very beautiful. I don't know if I should suggest for you guys to go ahead and order one for yourself, because I don't know if every palette that is gonna come damaged, but I leave it up to you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the ones that are not broken, and maybe I could just use a different palette. I probably have to wipe it off because I'm afraid that I'm going to spill the whole eyeshadow on me, so I'll be right back. I already did my face. I put the primer, and it's the usual primer that I always use, and I did the foundation. The foundation that I use is by ELF. It's this one right here, and the color is vanilla, just in case you guys wondering. Primer that I use is this one. You guys, I use this one a lot, but if you have any suggestion, you use a different type of primer, let me know in the comment below. I would like to try a different one, but so far I really like this. But if you have any suggestion, just comment down below. Let me know what type of primer you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and use this under my eyes, because since the eyeshadow is loose, I don't want the fall off to come on my face. Since I already did have the foundation on my face, I don't want the the eyeshadow to fall off on my face. It's already destroyed pretty much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this. And if you wonder where I got this, I ordered this on Amazon. It comes like in a little package. It comes plenty, it comes enough so you could use. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this right here, so like that. So when the eyeshadow fall, it just sits right there. This cute, huh? So this is actually, if you don't know how to use the eyeshadow, like you don't know how to apply your eyeshadow, which I'm sure everyone does, but this will guide, it gives you, like if you want to have the cat eye look of eyeshadow, this kind of help you too, and but I use it mainly so it won't fall off of the eyeshadow, especially this type of eyeshadow, since it came destroyed. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Sigma E40, and I'm going to gotta be careful, I don't want this brown looking eyeshadow. I see how pigmented it is too, and if you see me looking down, I have my mirror right down here. So we're just gonna go ahead and put this. Ooh, it is very pigmented. Can you guys see? Wow, I like that. So I'm just gonna blend. Go ahead and use a copper eyeshadow. Get this color right here. Actually, let me show you guys how it looks. That is the color, very pretty. So I'm gonna apply that on my lid. Nice. It's actually not that pigmented like the eyeshadow, like the brown eyeshadow. And I'm using my finger. Usually when you use the finger, since it's warm, like your tip of your finger is, your fingers are warm, it applies it better. But right at the back, the shimmer, they're not that pigmented. It's still pretty, it's still a pretty color, it's just not that pigmented. If you guys can tell, the shimmer is very, it's very pretty. It's just, you have to like reapply over and over. This is the good thing about having this tape under here, especially when you wear shimmer colors like glitter and shimmer. This is perfect because all the glitter will fall here and will not go on your face, so that is a plus. So I will put the link on the description box, so in case you guys are want it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this pinky looking color. I'm gonna put it on outer corner. I'm just gonna keep it right here. This one is a little pigmented too, just like the brown one. That's very pretty. So I'm just gonna drag it up to my inner corner and just gonna go ahead and blend. So just gonna go ahead and do the underneath of my eye, and I'm gonna do exactly the same thing I did. I'm gonna use a different brush, a smaller brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this small brush. This one is from Morphe, and I'm going to go ahead and tap on the brown color and apply this over here. So this helps too, to have this tape down here. So you just blend, do the same over here, then I will remove it. I'm gonna apply this lighter color on my brow bones. Apply this over here on my brow bones. Gonna put a little bit right here. You guys tell, that's so pretty. I like this one because it's very shimmer. Same on the other eye. Opens your eyes a little bit more if you apply this. It makes it more awake. gonna go ahead and remove my hat and put it on this side, and you guys can tell, look how pretty it is. So just, of course, I'm gonna fix all that. Before I clean up all these, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. Go ahead and move on to the rest of my face. I'm gonna let the glue dry a little bit before I apply the eyeshadow. I'm sorry, not the eyeshadow, the eyeliner and the mascara. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move on with the face. Put a little dot right here on my nose, right there, because this is super pigmented, and I'm not trying to go crazy with it. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit here too. So the brush I'm using is by Real Technique. I'm not sure if they still sell these, because this was a limited edition. See how pretty it is. So, but if I will put the link in the description box. If I find it, let's just go ahead and continue. I'm going to apply my Shape Tape by Tarte, and I'm going to apply a little bit here, some over here. Then I'm going to move on with the brush. I'm going to use the contour from my palette and put some more here and apply more over here. I like contouring my face, make it more sleek and flick. Wet n Wild, this little blush, I'm going to put a little bit because it can go crazy, and I don't want to put too much because I want to look more orange. Not too pinky. See, it goes so pigmented. It doesn't matter how much light-handed I can go. This blush is like extremely pigmented, but that's okay because I always fix it with my powder. So I just want to put some in here. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my highlighter up here. This. Can you guys see that? That is so pigmented, nice. And I go ahead and do the same for here. On my nose. My nose right here. You guys hear that bird? It sounds so pretty. Is it the red one? I think this is Cardinal, call it. Apply a little bit more over here, more shimmer right here. Highlight some over here a little bit to make us shine. There's nothing wrong with shine. With my moisturizer mist, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the liner. The liner I'm using is by Maybelline, the same one I've been using for quite some time. But if you guys have a different eyeliner, I really like this one because it's so big and it's easy to manage. But if you have any other liner that you use is very like a crayon, let me know. Just gonna put a little bit. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my liquid eyeliner, and the one that I'm using is by CoverGirl. It has a very thin brush. So apply this. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara. Like the new lipstick that I really love, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my lip liner. This one is by Jordana. Just gonna go ahead and apply this. I hate to use, I don't want to use it because I have that little design on that tip, and I don't want to ruin, but I want to you know, I bought it to use, you know. Oh my god, this is so pretty. It's very pigmented, and I don't like to have a lot of dark, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just dab and use my finger. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It turned out very nice and very pretty. I really love the lipstick. It is so beautiful and very pigmented. So I do recommend this lipstick if you guys are interested. Put the link in the description box. I also like my eyeshadow. I just not very happy the condition they came in. It was damaged, but other than that, the colors were good. The shimmer was not very, like I say, it wasn't very pigmented, but like I say, you could apply a color under it, and then you could just dab a little bit of the glitter and have like some type, you know, have a little bit of shimmer. Or you could also wet a spray your brush, your eyeshadow brush. You could also spray it and, you know, dab it and apply it in your on your lid, and it will look fine. I don't have, the only complaint I have, it came damaged, but other than that, the packaging is beautiful. The detail inside is so pretty. Like, I don't know if you can tell that the glitter are falling down. Very pretty. So go ahead and put the link on the description box. I just leave it up to you guys and take chances if you want to order it and see if it comes, you know, in great condition or not. Other than that, I don't have anything else to say. I hope everyone is having a beautiful day. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you could get a notification every time I post a video. That will really help me a lot on my videos. Please hit like, share my videos, like I said, and comment down below. Have a beautiful day. Love you guys. Bye bye.